The issue involved an electrical service call where our homeowner experienced problems with her dishwasher and disposal, as well as her kitchen lights and living room plugs. The dishwasher would cut off when the disposal was turned on, and the living room TV would cut off when the kitchen lights were switched on. The electrical box in question contained two circuits. One circuit served the dishwasher and disposal, while the other powered the kitchen lights and living room plugs. Several factors contributed to the problems that were happening. Firstly, there were code violations. The National Electrical Code requires that certain appliances, including dishwashers, disposals, and refrigerators, must be supplied by individual branch circuits. This means that each of these appliances should have its own dedicated circuit breaker in the electrical panel. Secondly, the electrician had used backstab connections. Backstab connections are a type of electrical connection where the wire is inserted into a hole in the back of an electrical device, such as a switch or receptacle, rather than being wrapped around a screw terminal. The problem with backstab connections is that they often do not provide a reliable connection, especially under high loads. Over time, the connection can loosen or corrode, leading to increased resistance and heat. In this case, the backstab connections on the dishwasher and disposal circuit likely became overloaded. As the connections overheated, they deteriorated, causing the circuit to trip. The heat from the overloaded dishwasher and disposal circuit then affected the other circuit in the box, causing its connections to also overheat and fail. This resulted in the kitchen lights and living room plugs experiencing problems. The repair involved addressing both the code violations and the faulty connections. Firstly, separate dedicated circuits were installed for the dishwasher and disposal. This involved running new wires from the electrical panel to each appliance and installing separate circuit breakers. Secondly, the backstab connections were replaced with standard wire nuts. Wire nuts are a type of electrical connector that securely joins two or more wires together. They provide a much more reliable connection than backstab connections and are less prone to loosening or corroding over time. To replace the backstab connections, the wires were disconnected from the back of the switches and receptacles. The ends of the wires were then stripped of their insulation, and the wires were twisted together. A wire nut was then screwed onto the twisted wires, creating a secure and reliable connection. Replacing the backstab connections with wire nuts and providing dedicated circuits for the appliances should resolve the electrical issues and ensure safe and reliable operation.